God or religion. What you looking for? Many people try to describe me. Oh, what I soon between. They hate each other, they kill each other, cause of difference in interpretation. Look what you have done. That is all over, 'cause you've been walking a long way. Oh brother, sister, can't you tell me, what are you fighting for? 'Cause religion will never bring you to heaven. Oh, it's not a golden ticket. All we need is love and living in harmony. Oh, that's the real heaven. Look what you have done. You killed the fire of that girl. Won't you stop this all over? What you have done, you killed the father of that girl. Won't you stop this all over? 'Cause you've been walking a long way. So would you join us?